So happy Monday to all of you. So today's mobility is actually today's practice is all about the opening of your hip area, right? Your pelvic area. So this practice actually improve your Surya Namaskaras. So let's get started. Okay. So you have to stand on the back of your mat and keep your hands on your waist, right? So in the fourth step of the Surya Namaskar, that is the Arsha Sanchalan Asana. Take your right foot forward and just go down and hold this posture. We usually keep our knee down, but here we are keeping our knee up. And now from here, just do a few rounds of keeping your front knee straight, and then again bend it. Again straight, again bend it. So here I am on my fingertips. If you are not able to reach here, so what you can do, you just can put that yoga blocks here and then it will be lifted up. So otherwise you can just put your fingertip on the ground and keep your knee straight and bend. Keep your knee straight and bend. Knee straight and bend. Here we are actually opening our and engaging our front leg quadriceps, and then straight and then back. Now again from here you just can place your back foot little bit forward and then lift your body up and just slightly come back, right? Then the next leg, from the next leg again take your left foot forward, go down, keep your knee up, put the toes on the ground. Now slowly keep your knee straight and bend. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, both knees straight and bend. Exhale. Inhale and exhale, and slowly either you can go back or you can come front like in the Padhastasana and again come back to the position. So this is the first practice, the first mobility. Or the second one is again you have to put your leg forward in the Arsha Sanchalan position. Now your right foot on the ground, put your left palm on the ground, and now take your right hand back and twist your body to the back. Again down and just come back. Okay, so again you have to take the left foot forward, go down, right palm down, twist to the left side, hand down, come forward, again go back. So I have done both the ways. I take my leg back as well, and I just go back to the third position, that is the Padhastasana, and then again I came back. So again with the right leg forward, twist to the right side, down, take your leg back, left foot forward, twist to the left side, down, front and back. Okay, both the ways, right? 3 more rounds. Right foot forward, to the right side twist. You can feel the stretch over your front leg as well as the back leg. That will actually improve your fourth position. Again, forward. You can change from here as well and twist. Down, forward, twist again, down, forward, last time, twist and forward and come back. So we have done the 2 mobilities. First, to just straight your legs. Second, it is just in the fourth position, we have to twist our body, right? Now the last mobility is specifically for the Parvatasana and the Bhujangasana. So from here, you have to come onto your front of the mat, slightly one step back, go down, a step back into the Chaturanga Dandasana and then the Parvatasana. Now from here, you have to exhale in the Parvatasana and inhale in the Bhujanga. Exhale in the Parvatasana, inhale in the Bhujangasana. Exhale Parvat, inhale Bhujanga. Exhale Parvat, keep your heels on the ground. Inhale, exhale, and now slowly just sit in the Vajrasana, and now you just relax and can take the Shavasana. Thank you so much.